We'll try videoing it too, as long as we don't identify any names or anything like that, right? For those kind of reasons. And it has to be rated G, yes, of course.
What is classified as rated G?
Well, something my 6-year-old could watch, okay? And she thinks you shouldn't call people stupid, right? So we have to
My cousin used to be like that.
really rated G. No, in all seriousness though, I want you to try these things, and I want you to realize if you make mistakes with it, that's fine. You're going to make mistakes as you work through things, but you're going to learn from them, right? The things you can use here are, okay, this is what you can use. You can use any of those basic 5 identities. Okay, there's 5 at this point. I don't need to write 5 at this point. You can know that. And you can use any algebraic skills you have. Well, not skills you have, but any algebraic things you know, right? Can't we just say algebra as a note for that? How about if I do the easiest one with you? And anybody want to try doing the easiest one here? It's not you doing it. It's you writing it while we give you guidance.
Yes. Okay, so my name's Morgan, and I'm going to do this right here.
Remember, no, we can't identify names on here, right?
Okay. But he's going to do it right, so it's all right.
So you just get to tell me what to do?
The people are going to tell you what to do. Now, there's a button on the side of the pen that you don't want to push.
Oh, okay.
Push it.
No, it just means it doesn't write.
All right, cool.
That's lassoing everything.
Lassoing.
Okay, so what can you do with that expression? What can you do? It's what? Yeah, you can change the tangent. Try writing it below, replacing the.
All right, so right here we're just gonna. This is us thinking.
You know I'm gonna have to fire you at this, right?
Hey, you always do that too. Okay.
I know
so,
I do.
All right. Okay.
Do you have to do theta or x?
You have to use the variable that's there.
Sine theta over cos theta times cos theta.
Sine theta over. Yep.
Cos theta.
Okay.
Times cos theta.
Now, why is that okay?
Because tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta.
Yeah, so we're assuming. I mean, that's one of those basic identities. Now, at this point, we've just pointed it out.
So
But as we go, those are going to be more obvious to you because you use them all the time, right?
So
Then
now
you
it's like,
times the right side by cos theta, so it makes it cos theta squared over cos theta.
Now, look at what he has in. Hang on. Look at what he has in between there, though.
It's times.
it's a little dot.
Times.
It's a times sign. So if it was a plus,
Then you could.
then you have two fractions you want to put together. If it's a multiplication, it's actually easier, right?
So equals sine theta.
So maybe you could choose a different color, a color of your choice over.
Okay.
the top
Get like a pecan.
there. No, not a highlighter.
Oh, highlighter.
Pink.
No,
Pink.
No, that's pecan.
That's
Pink.
a highlighter.
Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Now go back to the blue or whatever.
Draw us thinking.
Green.
I'm thinking about a green highlighter. And sine equals sine.
Oh, don't go over there.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
You're going to anger the math gods.
Oh,
Start going across.
No, do it.
The mathematicians.
Mathematicians.
Sine theta.
Woo.
There you go. Very good.
Highlight that with
Highlight
purple.
it.
Oh!
He scribbled on it.
Oh!
Undo. Up at the top.
Take it.
Yeah. The math. Okay. Very good. Thank you very much.
Can I see the previous
They're not.
page?
What?
I missed these two here.
The previous page. Okay, we'll put it back. Let's pause.
Do I go?
Yep. Okay. What can we for the second one? What do you suggest?
Sine
One over
times
cosine.
1 over.
Oh, there's no.
There, you can turn it over and erase it if you want. It is a learning curve for sure.
That's
I've been using
okay.
it for a year and something, so yeah.
No, it's there. It's just off to the left a little bit.
No, it's good.
Yeah, kind of like the last step. You got it.
It's recording. Just letting you guys know.
Times.
It is, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay if he talks about Alaska because I tend to talk about all kinds of stuff too. I should do this all the time, actually. You guys' handwriting's all a lot better than mine. Not that I didn't know that before, but...
But then I'm going to get bought by the U.S. like 2 cents an acre.
Oh, she's got really nice writing.
If you want to do a monologue, maybe you can
What's
do
that?
one after.
Yeah, and then cancel.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, ooh. Can I erase that without erasing the sign X?
Yeah, if you're careful with the eraser.
Be very careful.
Extremely.
You have to press with it on this thing.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go. Nice going.
Thanks.
Nice.
Oh.
There is an undo at the top. See the arrow at the top going
Or you
backwards?
can use Control Z, but there's no key.
There's no keys.
Okay,
right now.
why is
There
it
you go.
thick?
Oh, because those are highlighters at the bottom. Those four or
Oh,
five
that
bottom ones.
sucks.
The pink and above is pens.
That's, nah.
Oh, you
Okay.
can see those little,
There's a little line there.
yeah, small.
There we go. Very nice.
Oh, yeah. No. Close that.
Oh, whoa, that's wrong. Sorry.
I like this. This makes a lot of sense. It's not like that last year.
Very good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. So that involves, canceling, working with fractions and stuff. This is going to involve some things, some grade 10 or 11 algebra with it. What? Wait, you want to impress the ladies now or what? Okay. That's only on Sundays we get that calculator out. If you work with this expression, the reason I put this down here is I want you to realize there's more than one way to do some of these things, and I want you to try all 3 of these methods with the hint that's there. There's no right or wrong method. As we work through this, some of you are going to have methods that have 10 steps. Some people are going to have 8. Some people are going to find a way to do something that has 2 steps. They're all correct as long as you don't do something that's mathematically, algebraically incorrect. Some people adopt the strategy that we sort of adopted without even us saying here. We adopted this strategy. We changed everything to sine and cosine because then you can see if stuff cancels. Because all of the identities have sine and cosine in them, all those basic ones except for this one. But there's the other 4 identities allow you to change every one of the other functions to sine and cosine, right? Those 4 allow you to change it to sine and cosine. So some people's strategy is to just change everything to sine and cosine and go from that. But I don't want you to think that that's the only strategy, okay? So I want to give you some time to try those things, and then maybe we'll have some people illustrate what they come up with. Can we do that? It might be better for this to work with it, and I'll get you to do this individually or in groups or something. Got to think about how this is going to work here. Let's stop that one.